we're going to learn how to balance the chemical equation for the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. This is an important reaction in chemistry, and understanding how to balance it will help you with more complex equations in the future. Let's start with our unbalanced equation. We have H2O2 on the left side, which decomposes to form O2 and H2O on the right side. The first step in balancing any chemical equation is to count the number of atoms for each element on both sides. On the left side, we have 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. On the right side, we have 2 hydrogen atoms from H2O and 3 oxygen atoms, 2 from O2 and 1 from H2O. We can see that the oxygen atoms are not balanced. We have 2 on the left and 3 on the right. To fix this, we need to add a coefficient of 2 in front of H2O2 on the left side. This will give us 4 oxygen atoms on the left side. Now, let's count the atoms again to verify our balance. On the left side, we now have 4 hydrogen atoms and 4 oxygen atoms. On the right side, we have 2 oxygen atoms from O2 and only 2 hydrogen atoms from H2O. The hydrogen atoms are not balanced yet. To balance the hydrogen atoms, we add a coefficient of 2 in front of H2O on the right side. Now, let's check our work. Our final balanced equation is 2H2O2 decomposes into 2H2O and O2. Let's visualize this reaction. We start with 2 hydrogen peroxide molecules. They decompose into 2 water molecules and 1 oxygen molecule. And there you have it. We've successfully balanced the equation for the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Remember, the key to balancing any chemical equation is to ensure that the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides of the arrow. Practice with more equations to become proficient in this essential chemistry skill.